So today we are going to shave my face. Shave my head, might as well shave my face. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So this has been a very highly requested video, especially by Courtney Mona. Give a shout out to Courtney Mona. I believe her channel link down there or up here on the screen for you guys to check her out. She is a local YouTuber. She's totally sweet, totally awesome, and I absolutely love her. And anyways, one day when I was into Sephora, she was in there getting her makeup done, and by Jen. And if you guys want to go get your makeup done, definitely go get it done by Jen. She's totally awesome, love her. Anyhow, I was looking at the face shavers and Courtney's like, what are you doing? And I was like, I shave my face. And I've been doing it for a very, very long time now. And she's like, oh my God, I want to see a video on this and I want to know how to shave my face. So I'm just going to let you guys know, first of all, if you don't have a lot of peach fuzz, like if you have a little tiny bit of peach fuzz here on the side and it's really blonde and you really can't notice it, you guys don't need to do this at all. For me, I noticed that sometimes when I'm taking pictures, especially before I started to shave the peach fuzz off my face, when I zoomed in on pictures, you could actually see the hair, like the peach fuzz, like just sticking on the side of my face. So I was a little bit self-conscious about that. And not only that, when you do this, it actually makes your foundation lie so much smoother to your face. Not only that, when you are removing the hair, you're like exfoliating the skin, you're opening your pores. You know, it's a really, I love doing this. But like I said, I've been doing it for a long time, and if you don't have a whole lot of peach fuzz, you really don't need to do this. One question that Courtney did ask me was, when it grows back, does it grow back like thicker or darker or anything? And I said absolutely not. I do like say once a month because I find that the peach fuzz doesn't grow back as fast on my face. So for me, once a month. Now for you, it might probably be once or twice a month, depending on how fast the hair on the face grows back. And it doesn't grow back thicker at all. It's just that when it grows back, I could kind of start to notice it a little tiny bit. But I mean, I wait until it's fully grown back and then I go in and I shave my face. But yeah, it's really easy. First I was using the little shavers that I purchased from Walmart, and I really don't like those. I just find they don't really work very well. So I did go into Sephora. Now you can get a pack of these, 3 little Sephora shavers for $10, which is awesome. And not only that, I like it that you can put it back in the case and it actually has a little cover that goes on top of the shaver as well. And then they're all in there. And plus the handle is really nice and long, which I also like as well. So with all that information being said, let's jump into shaving my face. So I zoomed you guys in and I could see it here on the viewfinder. I don't know if you guys can, but can you see this like little peach fuzz right here? So of course it is kind of hard to see it, but hopefully you guys were able to see that when I zoomed in a little bit. So here's the shaver here, and here's the little handle. Don't be afraid of it. Don't be scared. When I first started doing it, I was like, a little bit nervous, but it's all good. And I will just show you afterwards how to clean it at the end. Also, you want to do this with a nice, clean, fresh face. And afterwards, when you're done removing the peach fuzz from your face, you don't want to put any makeup on. So the best time to really do this is at nighttime, because you're going to go ahead afterwards, wash your face, put on your serums and your creams and all that good stuff, and then you're going to go to bed and relax. And when you get up the next morning, your face is totally smooth and soft, just like a baby's bum, as they say, you know, all those commercials, just like smooth as a baby's bum. But literally, your face will be super smooth. So what I like to do is you kind of pull up on your face, and you need to put it on a certain angle, and then you just go in little motions like this. So if you guys could see where the hairs are too on the purple part, I just took it off the blade so you could actually see that it's actually removing it. And you could see how short the hair is anyways. It's not like super long or super thick or anything like that. So if you guys are worried about that, you don't need to be. And you're just like going really gentle. You're not like putting a whole lot of force, because this doesn't need a lot of force. And look at this. There's all the hair so far that just came off. So it does remove quite a bit. And like I said, I really, really like these because the handle of them is so, so long. They're super, super great. Now I'm just going to pull up some more, and I'm just going to go underneath my jawbone area. And sometimes I like to take these as well and just like to trim my brows. But I mean, you really don't need to do that. So far, it's feeling really nice and smooth. Now for this side, I find it sometimes a little bit tricky. Once again, you're just pulling up and going down. Really soft, soft, sweeping motion. And this is like, when I'm doing it, it's like going on an angle like that. So just place it and go like that. And there we go, there's all the hair from that side of the face. That's a lot of hair compared to the other side. And it's funny because I do find that sometimes I will get more hair on one side of the face than the other. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm really going to pull up here on my jawbone, and I'm just going to go over it one more time, because sometimes you do miss the little hairs because they're super, super fine. Mine are really, really fine and really, really blonde, but I did notice, like I said before I started doing this, that you could really see the peach fuzz sticking out on the side of my face. But if you really can't notice it and you don't have a whole lot, you really honestly don't need to do this. But if you want your foundation to lie smoother, you can too, but it's entirely up to you. But for me, I'm doing it because I do have a lot on my face. And there's the hair from underneath my jawbone. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do this side, and then we're almost done. It doesn't take very long at all to do this. When you're doing it, your face does feel like a little bit of a tingling kind of sensation. Well, for me it does anyways. I don't know if anyone else is like that, but that's how my skin feels. So what I do when I'm done is shaving the sides of my face is that I go ahead and I wash this off completely, and then I just towel dry it, and then I just put it back in its little case, because then it's nice and clean for the next time you go in and use it. And then I just pop it back in here with the other ones, and I only use it probably a few times. Like I said, I only do this once a month, so I'll probably get another couple of uses out of it until I decide to throw it out, and then I go on to the next one, and then the other one. And like I said, for $10, great price. I really, really like these over the ones that are at Walmart. Tried them, didn't like them. Just, the handle was too short. They just weren't great. But these are fantastic. So now when all that's done, you go ahead and wash your face, and it feels so cooling and refreshing because your skin is so nice and soft. What I like to do then is I go in with the Peter Thompson Roth, and this is the Max Sherr All Day Moisturizer. And this is a moisturizer that has SPF 30 in it, vitamin A, C, and E. And it nourishes the skin, leaving the skin looking healthy, which it totally does. I absolutely love, love, love this stuff. So I like to apply this even before I go to bed at night. And I like to take a generous amount. I got 4 pumps there. And I just put it on in a circular motion, and it feels so nice and cooling. Like when you're putting your lotions and your serums on your face after you do this, your face feels so, so soft, and it's just so, it's really relaxing when you're rubbing it into the skin, because now all this product is really seeping into your skin, which is great for like anti-aging and all that too. So this is why I say do it at nighttime, because after when you do this, you really don't want to apply makeup to your face. You just want to let your face kind of relax after this and just really soak in all that good stuff, your serums and your creams. And yeah, it really makes your foundation lie really nice and smooth. But like I said earlier on, that if you only have a little bit of peach fuzz, you really honestly don't need to do this. This is just for the ladies, the girls, the women out there who have just a little bit of extra peach fuzz, just like me. So there you go, guys. That's how I shape my face. Like I said earlier on in this video, if you have really like very little peach fuzz and it's extremely light, you really don't need to do this. For me, I need to do this because I have a lot of peach fuzz. It does not grow back thick, just to let you guys know, but my peach fuzz is really blonde. Now, I don't know what it would be like for somebody who has a darker hair on their face. Pretty much you should ask somebody that you know who has dark hair on their face just to see how it grows back. And that because I personally cannot tell you how it's going to grow back because mine is blonde. So therefore it's totally different. So definitely ask somebody first before doing that. Do a lot of research, look into it. But for me, this is how I do it. My peach fuzz is blonde. I have a lot of it. So there you go. If you guys go ahead and shave your face, or if you're going to attempt it, let me know. And if you've done it before, how you feel about it. Do you like how it makes your foundation line your face? Because I sure do. I absolutely love it. And Courtney Mona, shout out to you. Let me know if you're gonna go shave your face now. Just let me know. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.